Hey guys, aladsair519 here for the third time trying to record this game. Realized that my thing was set onto the wrong thing. Okay, and I'm dead. That's a great way to start off. So how are you guys going? I'm going well. I'm glad to think that I hope to think you guys are going well. Happy me, happy you, happy me. That's the way of life. There's a lightning gun. I'm surprised I'm alive. I probably shouldn't be. This is a weird map. I've seen people play on this before. Namely, man called Gemma. But yeah. Nah, I have... Oh, that's a fall. And I got run over by a train. That's cool. You know, that doesn't happen to everyone. Get run over by the train. Ooh, there's a guy. Oh, who's on my team? I keep forgetting which team I'm on and which team I'm not on, which is really quite annoying. Also, I don't know what the train comes through on this map. Damn. Damn. How am I alive? I'm not. Right. Okay. We're playing as Ebola. Cause, you know, oh, jeez, there's bullets going everywhere. We got some TNT? Oh, hey, train. Why can't I hit him? Oh. That was strange. Wait, can I stop the watermill? Yeah, I can. That's cool. Oh, really? Oh, come on. This is stupid. You can't hit people when you're on trains. It's like buggy. So close. What if I just... What gun's he using? I don't actually know. It's very strong and it keeps killing me. It's probably like... Oh. Yes. Jump. Alright. I can't actually see anyone. This is a big map. There's a person. Pow! Loki! I'm gonna die. I reckon that shot's coming from behind me. Oh, Santa Lucia! Wait, is this a... It's an elevator. That's so cool. Does it go down as well? Yeah, it totally does. Every time. Talk. Shotgun. Now we just pick somewhere and like find people who don't want to be killed and kill them. Cause my friend just died. We're going the golden chest next time. Oh, I got wreck-kicked. Unfortunately, I don't have a shot at the golden chest anymore because I am not alive. I'm still not alive. I'm also dead again. Oh, get out of my way, sir. walking a bit slower so I can put a spraying of lead in people's faces if they're gonna try attack me. There's always someone riding, like... Does it terminate here? Oh no, it doesn't terminate there. I thought the train would have terminated. Oh, it might terminate in here. Oh, does it just keep going around? Oh, that's cool. If it just keeps going around, I'll just stand here. Oh. Come on, sir. And this is mine. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? I'm gonna get the Cold Walker. Because, you know, one-shot killing people is... Just stop it in here. Forward. I'm at the bottom of the list because I haven't seen anybody. This is where I'm gonna die, isn't it? Where I've waited all this time for the Sharp's rifle. Yeah, I'm very slow. 60% overweight. Oh no, of course I see people now. New threats. No, I need to get at least, I need to not be at least last in 3 minutes. Okay. Loud stomping noise. Oh, okay. That's easy enough. Oh, come on, I really want to get at least one kill in this. At least one kill with the sniper, which I worked so hard to get. Just this map is just so big. And I died. Wasn't worth the sniper. That's just terrifying. How bad I am at this game. Oh well. Only 2 minutes left and then the game will be over. And I'll be dead again. Clearly. The social content? Yeah. Oh, really? I'm just outclassed on this server. Well, I guess it's nice to see one place where ebola isn't killing the world. What's my ping at? Oh, that would make a lot of sense as well. My ping's pretty high. I can't believe a bot is winning, actually. That's terrifying. I got 4 kills. I'm not happy with that, but I gotta deal with it. What the hell did that? That's probably a bot, isn't it? No, that's actually a player. Alright. I often wonder. Okay. No, it's just not my day, I think. That's alright. Okay, come on, we're gonna get at least a kill. Come on. One before the game ends. To find someone and just. Oof. Oh, come on. No, that's not fair. You're like all the way over there. I don't even care if that's a bot, but it was Sweet Onions and I died anyway, so it doesn't matter. There. I'm so far behind on the lead board, it wouldn't actually matter if I got like even like a TNT kill there. Well, that was an interesting game, in which I failed badly, which is a shame, because the last 2 times I tried to record it, it was perfect. But I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.